The first drop test will be waist height. 1, 2, 3, go. In this video we will find out if thin glass screen protector will protect your screen from breaking or not. Now if you wonder why I do have a thin glass screen protector in this phone, make sure to watch the previous video I have made. You guys will find the link in the description box. Now this is Variety Stick. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, give me thumbs up, and let's find out. The first drop test will be waist height. 1, 2, 3, go. Waist height drop. Let's see the impact of the phone. The back is popped, and it seems to me the glass protector has been cracked, but it seems to me the screen's still good, just the glass protector cracked. Let's do a head drop test. Head height drop test. Let's go ahead and do it. Now when we go ahead and pick up the phone, as expected, the back of the phone got popped and all the glass screen protector are still intact, and it seems to me it got more cracked and nothing major. Looks like thin glass screen protector will hold up very good with your phone. Now I'm gonna start removing the glass screen protectors one after another, just to see how many glass screen protector do you need to fully protect your phone. Alright, let's go ahead, remove the first glass screen protectors and see what happened. The first glass screen protector completely demolished. The second glass screen protector is not that bad though. We have little crack from the top. Let's go ahead and remove that glass screen protector and see if we have more impact to the other glass screen protectors. As you guys see, as expected, we have just one crack for that glass screen protector, and it seems to me the third one absolutely in great shape. But let me go ahead and remove the third glass screen protector just to be 100% sure that the glass is still in a good shape. There you go, the third glass screen protectors, no problems. Let me go ahead now, remove all the glass screen protectors and make a test for the screen in case if anything happened to the screen from inside. Let's go ahead, unlock the screen, and the screen is 100% functional. I believe thin glass screen protector will save your phone if you drop it head height or waist height, but unfortunately the touch screen is not gonna work. Watch the other video guys, the link in the description box. I wish you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. As always guys, make sure to subscribe if you haven't, give me thumbs up, and we'll talk to you in the next video.